A land of extraordinary natural beauty. Sajek Valley of Rangamati. Surrounded on all sides by lush green hills. Before sunrise, clouds gather gently within the folds of the mountains. Through these drifting clouds, it feels as though the hills and the mist are engaged in a silent game of hide and seek. Nature here changes its form again and again, sometimes touched by a sharp winter chill, and in the blink of an eye, the surroundings are enveloped by moving clouds. Wherever the eyes wander, there are hills filled with nature. It feels like a valley of clouds, a kingdom of mist. To lose oneself in this land and then rediscover that sense of calm is an experience entirely unique. It seems as though anyone would wish to ride a mythical winged horse across the clouds, letting the mind run free. And that is why such a landscape captures the heart so effortlessly. This natural sanctuary of breathtaking beauty, Sajek Valley, is located in Baghaichari Upazila of Rangamati district. Sajek is the largest union in Bangladesh, covering an area of approximately 702 square miles. It lies along the border of India's Tripura and Mizoram states. Situated about 1,800 feet above sea level, Sajek is only 40 kilometers away from Dheginala in Khagrachari. For this reason, traveling to Sajek from Khagrachari is particularly convenient. Most travel enthusiasts prefer to reach Sajek via Dheginala. Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are heading towards Sajek Valley. At this moment, we are at Syedabad bus terminal in Dhaka. From here, we will explain the available routes to reach Sajek. Although Sajek is located in Rangamati district, traveling via Dheginala in Khagrachari is much easier. Therefore, the first step of the journey is to reach Khagrachari. To travel from Dhaka to Khagrachari, bus services such as Hanif Enterprise, Saudia, Saint Martin Express and Desh Travels are available. Non-air-conditioned bus fares range from 750 to 850 taka. For air-conditioned buses, services such as Saint Martin, Hyundai, Robi Express, Hanif Enterprise, Relax Transport and Econo Service operate at fares between 1,000 to 1,600 taka. Most buses depart for Khagrachari by 10 p.m. In addition, Shanti Poribohan operates direct services to Dheginala at a fare of approximately 800 taka. We travelled by Shanti Poribohan. Their counters are available at various locations across Dhaka, including Gaptoli and Kalabagan. If you plan to travel on holidays, it is advisable to purchase tickets in advance, as last-minute availability can be challenging. Best time to visit Sajek. While traveling to Sajek, there is one important detail to keep in mind. When is the best time to visit? Sajek's beauty has no single comparison. It remains colorful and vibrant throughout the year. You may visit Sajek at any time of the year. However, from July to November, cloud activity around Sajek is at its peak. This period is considered the best time to experience Sajek at its finest. On the road to Khagrachari. Without realizing it, morning arrives. We are now traveling along the roads of Khagrachari, winding, uneven and scenic hill roads. As the journey continues, the beauty on both sides of the road is truly captivating. These roads themselves are a major part of the travel experience. Rather than sleeping, it is best to remain awake and enjoy the scenery along the way. Shapla Square. Eventually, we arrive at Shapla Square, the heart of Khagrachari town. Here, passengers must disembark. There are several residential hotels for freshening up, as well as restaurants for breakfast. Beside the square, there are transport counters for vehicles heading towards Sajik. Sajik transport costs. Transport costs to Sajik Valley vary depending on the type of vehicle and the number of passengers. Jeep or Chandir Gadi, round trip, 8,000 to 10,000 taka. When shared among 12 to 15 passengers, the cost per person is comparatively lower. Pickup truck, round trip, 9,000 to 11,000 taka. CNG auto rickshaw, 2 to 3 passengers, round trip, 4,500 to 5,500 taka. Army checkpost and security. After all preparations are complete, the journey towards Sajek begins. The first stop is the Baghaihat Army checkpost. Here, details of the vehicle and passengers are recorded and a token is issued. At 10 am, vehicles proceed behind an army escort towards Masalong Army checkpost. From there, the escort changes and the journey continues all the way to Sajek Valley. Upon entering the area, there is an entry fee and ticket counter. The charges are tourists 20 taka, jeep 100 taka, motorcycle 50 taka. These tickets must be returned when exiting the area. Indigo Market along the way. Along the road to Sajik, the beauty on both sides continues to mesmerize. Hillside homes appear along the route and small children stand by the roadside greeting visitors with warm smiles. Surrounded by nature, one can easily forget everything else. However, the road to Sajek is quite steep and uneven, so it is essential that the driver is skilled and experienced. Indigo Market. While traveling towards Sajik, we stopped at an indigenous roadside market. Our experience there was remarkable. Local communities had arranged their agricultural produce and a variety of goods for sale. One noticeable aspect of this market is that women are more visible than men. Some arrive to sell their products while others come to buy. We explored the market thoroughly and it left a very positive impression on us. After visiting the market, we once again set off towards Sajek. Entering Sajek Valley. Now we have entered Sajek Valley. Small resorts, local settlements, and the surrounding environment together create a sense of freedom. Above all, the clear and spotless sky adds to the tranquility of the place. Resort prices in Sajek Valley 2025. According to 2025 information, resort prices in Sajek Valley vary depending on the quality of the resort and the tourist season. For standard or budget category rooms, the nightly rate ranges from approximately 1,500 to 3,000 taka. Premium and view-side resorts may charge higher rates depending on the season. During holidays and peak tourist periods, booking accommodation in advance is the safest option. Niribili Resort. We stayed at a resort in Sajek. The name of the resort is Niribili Resort. Built using bamboo and thatch, the natural design of this resort instantly brings a sense of peace. From there, we enjoyed a breathtaking aerial view of Sajek Valley. End. Friends, that brings us to the end of today's journey. We will meet again in a new place with a new story. Until then, stay well and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.